So in this lecture we are going to make this model. So you can see from the drawing we have a base part again, and there are some holes. Also there is some place for the washer, and you can see on this left side we have some solid features. So now we are going to make this part. First of all, from the drawing you can see these values, base part 105 and 105. So we are going to make this. From the front view you can see the depth is 12. So go to creo, I will go to extrude, and let's say I will select top plane and sketch view. Here I will draw center rectangle like this. Give it dimension, this is 105 and this is 105. Click OK, and this is 12. Click OK. After that we need to create the hole. So if you go to the file once again, we have created 4 holes, and these holes is 20 from the right edge and 20 from this top edge, and these are through holes. So these are up to, so the depth is up to the material. So the depth is up to the material, and we have a washer. The diameter of hole is 10, and for the washer is this is 20. So first let's create all these parts. I will go to creo. If these are threaded hole, we need to always create hole using the hole command. I will go to hole. So this is simple type of hole, just select the top face. Now for this hole we need to pick up these 2 arrows. Pick the first arrow and take it to the top face or top edge. Similarly, pick the second arrow, hold down the left click and drag the mouse, take it to this edge. Diameter is 10 and offset distance is 20. This is 20 and this is 20, and click OK. Now you can see a hole has been created. So we need to create this hole on all the 4 sides. So instead of creating the hole once again, what I do, I will go to hole, click on this, go to mirror. So mirror this hole with respect to this right plane and click OK. Once again I will select this mirror. So once again I will select this hole and hold down the control key and select this mirror part and click on mirror. And for the plane, this time I will select this front plane and click OK. So in this way you can see we have created the hole. So for this we can also rename the part. Right click, go to rename. So this is hole 2 like this. Similarly we can also name this part. After that we need to create the washer. So washer need to be created with extrude command. Go to extrude, select this top face and sketch view, and we need to create the circle. So select the circle, give it dimension. So this value is 20. Similarly create circle on all the 4 sides like this. So when I drag the mouse you can see the circle is turning green. So it means these are of equal radius. Okay, once again I will create the circle now. Similarly just creating the circle. When it is turning green, click OK. Once again click OK. Now we need to check the depth for the washer. So go to drawing, and you can see from this view the depth of washer is 2. So click OK. Now insert the value 2, reverse the direction and remove the material. Click OK. Now you can see. So I will go to this extrude, right click, rename. This is washer, give it name washer. So here I will select shade with edge view. So after that, if you go to the drawing, we need to create this section. So first of all I will create this circular part. So from this circular part you can see this diameter is 15, this is 30. So we also need height for this. So that height is, okay, the total height is 96. From this view you can see total height is 96. Okay, so I will go to creo and go to extrude and select this face. Sketch view. I will draw two circles. So draw the circle at the center. So draw first circle and draw second circle. This circle is of diameter is 15. This is of diameter 30. Click OK, and this depth value is 96. Click OK. Now here I will go to drawing once again. So after that we need to create this feature. To create this feature we need dimension for this. So for this feature you can see this value is 30 and this is offsetted at a distance of 20 and also the height is 70. Okay. To create this feature we need a datum plane. So datum plane is at height of 20. You can see this height is 20. Okay. So I will go to plane and select this right plane as reference, and the offset value is 20. Click OK. Now from this plane I will go to extrude, select this plane we have created and go to file view and go to sketch view. From the sketch view I will take some references. So I will take reference of this line and this line. Click close. From here I will draw a rectangle. Draw a corner rectangle like this. So let's say I will draw a rectangle like this, and this dimension is 30 and this dimension is 70. Okay, so click OK. Now extrude is going upward. I want it downward direction. So change the direction from here. Also for the depth I will select to reference and select this face as a reference and click OK. Similar thing we need to do on this face. So here we need to create this side part. So you can see the distance from side edge is 20 and this is 20 and this height, okay, the height of this part is 90 we have created and this smaller is 70. So I will go to this extrude we have created. I will go to edit definition and go to sketch once again, sketch edit and go to sketch view. So this length value is 90 here. Click OK. Now click OK once again. So I will have to create one more datum plane that is offset from this surface at a distance of 20. So I will go to plane, select this face. This distance is 20 on the, okay, we need to reverse the directions. So this value is negative 20. Insert value negative 20, press enter. Now it is going inward. Click OK. Now I will go to extrude, select this plane we have created. Click on sketch view. Once again we need some references. So this value is 20 and this height is 70. Okay. I will need some references like this. Now click on corner rectangle from this edge. Draw a rectangle like this. This value is 70 and this value is 20. Click OK. Once again reverse the direction. Click on this option of to reference. To the reference I will select this face. Okay, I will select this bottom face also. Click OK. Now solid part is completed. We need to create the hole. So these are not threaded hole as you can see. So we can create it using extrude command. So I will go to extrude, select this top face, sketch view. So let's find the dimension. Okay, we need to find it from this view. So the gap is 30 and 30 and this is 10. Take the edge reference like this. We also need a center reference line. Go to reference line and draw a horizontal line like this. Draw two circles of value 10. So this value is 10. This distance is 30 and this distance also 30. Click OK. Reverse the direction and automatically take up to the reference of this face. So go to reference and click on to next. With this to next, it will only take the next surface. Here you can see, click OK. Similar thing we need to do here. So this distance is 20, 20 and this is 10. So go to extrude once again, select the side face, sketch view. Here we need reference. So take the reference of this edge, this edge. So we need center line. I will need to draw a center line. So take the line, take the mouse onto this line and let's see if we can get the midpoint. Okay, we are not getting the midpoint, so I will draw a line like this and I will specify distance from this edge. This is 10, half of 20. Now draw first circle, draw second circle of equal radius. This value is 10. This distance is 20 and this distance also 20. Click OK. Now reverse the direction, select up to next. Click OK. Okay, in the up to next it is also crossing this. So here we need to carefully select the next reference. So let's say I will select up to reference like this. Select these references and click OK. Okay, click on cancel once again. So here click on resume once again, and when I select the through all, or let's say I select up to next, it is going to create the hole like this. So instead we can also specify some variable. So click on variable and pick up the mouse and drag it up to here. Okay, so now the hole is completed. Click OK. So in this way you can see we have created the part. In the end we need to create the fillet. So you can see we have R10 fillet. So go to round, specify the value 10, select all the 4 edges, this edge, select this edge and this edge. Click OK. So in this way the part is completed.